bit of context around who Menzies are. We are a partner with most airlines in some capacity across the globe. Within this region, we service about 25 airports across about a customer base of about 75 airlines.
One of the big challenges we face is those late night cancellations bordering on curfew. We would tell passengers living locally to go home, wait for rebooking information from the airline, and any costs incurred, they just need to hold on to receipts and claim that back through the airline, which was obviously not a very popular approach. A lot more passengers didn't have that option, and they then needed hotel accommodation, which then led to a bigger queue, which cost additional money. Cancellations could blow out to multiple hours. Now with Uber, we're able to really streamline that process. We issue vouchers digitally straight to the passenger, straight to their Uber app. We can do that at the boarding gate, we can do that at the baggage carousel, we can do that at check-ins. It gets those passengers away within minutes. And that then allows us to focus our time on the passengers that don't live locally, that do genuinely need hotel accommodation or other assistance, rather than just sort of housing everybody by default. It's really transformed the way we handle disruptions. The feedback from passengers and customer airlines has been awesome. We're easily saving over $10,000 per disruption. There's instances where that is well over $20,000 in savings just off one disruption.
And this is a really good opportunity to be able to take everyday technologies that everyone's familiar with and to be able to really take away the anxiety for people. They understand Uber, they understand how it works.